BICAM committee release a BICAM report for the 2025 GAB when the actual 2025 GAB was still being finalized. Sunod-sunod, linuluto pa at walang patid ata itong kababalaghan. Even as I speak, the final version of the 2025 General Appropriations Bill is yet to be printed. As late as yesterday, the 17th of December, those in charge of the budget, the real BICAM, are still trying to massage the budget. Masahe pa po, allocating and adjusting among themselves and their associates the infrastructure and other projects so that those who are in their good graces get a piece of the proverbial pie. Some may argue that what will be contained in the GAB is reflected in the BICAM report and that therefore it's not necessary for the GAB to be finalized before the BICAM report is released. Allow me to show you what the 2025 BICAM